But there's this. It's for the eye mask. Sakto ko, gusto nito. First step is to use a Harmony cleanser. I use 2 to 3 pumps. Ooh, it's full. Pinky. So you only need a little bit. So I'm gonna start here. I only used a small amount, but it's enough. I'm back and I washed it off. Ta-da! And I lock it in with Radiance. Probably gonna leave this on for the rest of the evening because I'm not going out. I'm just gonna stay home and do what I need to do at home. Lip cream. Ooh. Fix your towel if it was falling. And that was my 5-step skincare routine. We have the cleanser, face mask, eye mask, moisturizer, and the lip cream. It's simple as that, and I've been using this for a year now. Everything was from 3 ships, and I love them.